what makes Marcus Evans valuable? Probably three things, right? The first is you're focused on industries, which is incredibly valuable, right? A lot of events that I've been to like this are not focused on a specific industry, they're very general. And so you'll go from meeting to meeting that are not helpful, they're not valuable, they're not people that are interested, right? The second is the team here has curated a group of participants that's been really valuable. We had 16 meetings, and probably an overwhelming majority of them were really valuable. They were consistent, they were exactly what we were looking for, and very well done. And then the third is just access, right? Marcus Evans, from my perspective, first event, is almost an outsourced business development arm, right, for us. And we've had access to potential clients in a way that we could never have gotten on our own. Absolutely. So the people we met with were highly qualified. They were, in our case, litigation counsel, right? Chief litigation counsel. And so they were the people in the positions for the companies we wanted to meet. The companies were very well profiled. The people that we met with seemed to be prepared. Most of them had done, had looked us up before they got there, which tells me that Marcus Evans had prepared them for the meetings, right? So it was good. The value before was all the prep work. They actually pushed us as a team, my team, into calls and said, we want to help you prep for the event so that we make sure that you get the most out of it. And they've done this so much that their prep work was spot on. And then during the event, we had to make some changes. Very responsive. Mancy was our rep. She did a great job. If we tried to schedule some of the meetings that we had scheduled here, I don't think we could have gotten it done. Maybe one or two of the 15, but we would not have been able to have access. And the other thing that Marcus Evans does from our perspective as an outsourced business development arm is they pre-qualified us to the prospects, right? So the chief litigation officers in this case, who we were meeting with, they knew that the fact that we were here, Marcus Evans had already vetted us. And so it was already a warm introduction. It was not a cold introduction, but of all the people we met with, maybe we could have gotten to one or two if I'd worked at it, but it would have taken weeks or months and a lot of effort. And here we just had meetings and we met them, and now we're connected and we're gonna move forward. And by the way, that's another great point. So we do, one of the other values is we just show up and everything's taken care of. But the non-meeting events, the lunches and the happy hours and the socials and certainly the panel discussions is an amazing opportunity to do follow-up. Like, we met with people on Sunday and then had dinner with them that night or breakfast with them the next day. And that kind of relationship building is clutch. It's key. It's invaluable.